Okay, fellow crafters, I need some help. Yesterday was my first time using the AB resin or epoxy resin. So, follow the directions, had a general idea from watching videos and things like that. But I've waited the 24 hours, made a cute little coaster, really liked it. Demolded it this morning. And just wondering, should I be able to do this with it? I'm really not sure. In some ways I like that because I thought about making a little trinket tray, a jewelry tray, scooping these up like this. And sorry, I can't really do what I'm trying to with one hand, but it's not, it doesn't stay in any sort of form. It does go back to flat, but it's almost a rubber consistency. So just not sure what I did wrong, if it's supposed to be like that, if left alone, if it will eventually harden and cure completely where it's, solid as a rock, what have you. Just let me know if anybody's got any experience with it. I'd really like to know. Like I said, this was my first time using the AB typical resin. I have been using the acrylic UV resin, so just curious. Let me know. Thanks so much.